This video sponsored by BuyMote shopping app. BuyMote e-shopping application is one of the online shopping app now available on Play Store and App Store.
Hi guys, if you are in nursing competitive exam preparation, then you can join with me for practicing previous year MCQs. First question is Adam's apple is formed by options are option A thyroid cartilage, option B epiglottis, option C hyoid bone, option D cricket cartilage. This question, correct answer is option A, thyroid cartilage. Adam's apple is the laryngeal prominence formed by the thyroid cartilage at the top of the trachea and in front of the neck. It is more prominent in adult men than in women due to influence of testosterone hormone. Second question is development of goiter, enlarged thyroid gland is mainly due to deficiency of. Options are option A sodium, option B iodine, option C calcium, option D iron. In this question, correct answer is option B iodine. Iodine is the part of thyroid hormones. Deficiency of iodine causes decreased synthesis of thyroid hormone, which leads to hypothyroidism and increased secretion of thyroid stimulating hormone. Because of increased TSH cause increased growth and activity of thyroid gland. Third question is positive Chostop sign is an indication of. Options are option A hypernatremia, option B hypercalcemia, option C hyponatremia, option D hypocalcemia. This question, correct answer is option D hypocalcemia. Chostop sign and Troisi signs are indication of hypocalcemia. Chostop sign is a spasm of facial muscles following tap on the facial nerve or tingling around mouth seen in hypocalcemic tetany. Troisi sign is a muscular spasm of the hand and wrist. It is called carpal spasm resulting from pressure applied by BP cuff to nerves and vessels of upper arm as a result of hypocalcemia. The question is islets of Langerhans are rich in which portion of pancreas? Options are option A uncinnated process, option B tail, option C body, option D head. This question, correct answer is option B tail. Endocrine function of pancreas is formed by islets of Langerhans, which are more concentrated in the nail than in head and body of pancreas. Pancreatic islets contain three types of cells, that is alpha cells, beta cells, delta cells. Alpha cells secrete glucagon, beta cells secrete insulin, delta cells secrete somatostatin. Question is insulin is not administered through oral route because options are option A it causes GIT bleeding, option B it causes nausea and vomiting, option C it destroyed by GIT, option D none of above. In this question, correct answer is option C destroyed by GIT. Insulin is a protein hormone, so it can be destroyed by gastrointestinal tract if given by oral route by action of protein digesting enzymes such as pepsinogen. Insulin decreases blood glucose level by mechanism of glycogenesis, lipogenesis and gluconeogenesis, glycogenolysis.